Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if a specified logon session does not exist, it may already have been terminated. So some possible reasons for these errors are incorrect user account, password change, domain issues, permissions and problems, and task trigger conflicts. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung local security policy. And then makikita mo kaagad dito yung local security policy, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And once na-open mo na tong local security policy, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung local policy. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung security options. Okay, so dito sa security options, so kailangan mo lang mag-click one time. So click mo lang one time. And dito sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung kanyang security settings. Alright, so ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung network access do not allow storage of passwords and credentials for network authentications. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down and then select lang natin dito yung network access. In-locate lang natin and then ito na siya. So once na-locate mo na tong network access do not allow storage of passwords and credentials for network authentications. So, ang gagawin natin dito ay select and double click. And then pop up itong kanyang properties. So, ang next step, so dito lang sa local security settings. And then, kailangan lang natin itong i-disabled. Okay, so select mo lang dito yung disabled. And next step ay click mo lang dito yung apply. And i-click mo lang dito yung okay. So, click mo lang yan. Alright, so after dito sa local security policy, and dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix a specified logon session does not exist task scheduler error. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.